Bob Larson's In the Name of Satan was an interesting documentary, like a lot of stuff he does. Very little that is totally trustworthy as far as, you know, this is what the biblical belief is, and this is a true telling of the events. But, you know, is a lack of ethics really evil? Because, of course, you can refer to ethics as being different from morality. Symbols that didn't make the cut seem to be what is mentioned in terms of what the demonic symbols are. Miraculous crime is certainly something mentioned in the documentary, as in the fact that it would exist, if it did exist, would be a miracle, for the other side, but still. Gang activity is crime, but Satanism is the threat? Bob Larson makes Satanism sound like a childhood fantasy. The teens claiming actions for their own past cults would have been arrested if the police found anything towards their honesty in their investigations. Cults would make the members useful to them, and some of them get quite extreme about that. The Bible says that Abraham was told by God to sacrifice his son. Art brings forth ideas that are not the same as lost memories. Now, was this the one that talked about the carrots and the woman and all the dogs, and it's and she's like stifling a laugh? Was this the documentary that had that? Um, if Bob Larson does another show with James Mason, I'll watch that. But um, or if he goes on with EO co-editing or somebody else like that. But I'm generally don't even watch Bob Larson's stuff to respond to it. I mean, he's welcome to come on my show, and I'll respond respectfully, whether or not I agree.